Class 8, continuing with chapter number 4, part 2. Next topic is creating a table. How to create a table now? There are several ways to create a table. First is creating a table using templates. Second, creating table in design view. And third is creating table in datasheet view. So there are three options that we can create the table in database. We will learn about creating a table in design view in this chapter. In this view, we can design the structure of table by specifying the field name, data types and their properties. Now we will see. We will define the structure of the table by specifying the name, data type and their properties. You can follow the given step to create a table. We have to follow this given step to create a table. First of all is go to create tab and select table option in the table group. What you have to do? Go to create tab and select table from the table group. New table will be created in the database. As you will do this, a new table like this will be created. Go to the view button, the view group, and click on design view from the drop down menu. And what we just go to view button in the view group में जाके view button में click on design view from the drop down menu. Just select it. The save as dialog box will appear where you have to specify the file name and click on OK to save the file. The save as dialog box will come and you have to just save the file by specifying the name, just like the normal MS Word file, MS Excel file. A blank table will be opened in the design view. It will display three columns: field name, data type and description. You can also notice a new tab on the ribbon design. Now see, when you will do this, a table with three names, field name, data type and description will be there, and it is also there in this way. A primary key is automatically created. Now what is primary key? Primary key is a key which is uniquely identify the record. As in our school, you are all students are having the admission number, registration number, that which is quite different. For every student is different. So that is the primary key that helps to identify each student separately. A primary key is automatically created by Access and assigned a field name. You will notice a key symbol appearing next to the field. Primary key is automatically created by MS Access and assigned a name, field name. You will notice a key symbol appearing next to the field. In the field name column, you can enter the name for other field. In the field name column, you can enter the name of other fields. Press tab to move to the data type. Now just enter the data type. Click on the drop down menu arrow which appear as you will move to the data type field. You can select your desired data type here. You can select the data type like text, number, whatever you want to give, OLE. Press tab to move to the description column. Now just come to the description column. This is the optional step where you may require to add comment in your field. This is optional. If you want, you can do it, otherwise you can ignore. Press tab again to move the field name column in the adjacent row. Now again use the tab key. Tab key will be used to move from one cell to another cell instead of enter. Repeat the process till you have created all the field of the table and set their properties. Now in this way you can just create different fields, and after creating you can assign the name to the field name, whatever field name you want to give. Now how to set the field name properties? Select the field name for which you set the properties. In the field property area, the general tab is selected by default. Set the property of the field as required. So just set the properties as required. After you have done, you must save the table by clicking on the save button in the quick access toolbar or by clicking the field in the save option under file tab. This sort of screen will come when you will open this. This tab will now be added in the navigation pane, and when you will create, it will be added to the navigation pane. Now next topic is primary key. Primary key is defined as a standard feature of every database management system. Primary key is defined as a standard feature. It is one of the most standard feature of every DBMS program. It is a check for table which uniquely identify every record in a table. It is a check in a table which uniquely identify each record in a table. it does not contain any identical or duplicate data, and primary key data cannot be duplicated at any cost. There can be only one primary key in a table. There can be only one primary key. Since the value in the primary key are distinct for every record, it helps us to identify every record. As I have told you, primary key help us to identify the record because it contains different values for different entries. The feature enable the record in a table to be related or worked upon in another table. Sometimes we have to fetch the value from one table to another table, then this key is very beneficial. Let us understand with the help of scholars table. As we know, each individual scholar will have the enrollment number which cannot be assigned to any other scholar. Therefore, we shall define the enrollment fees as the primary key. I have given you example in your as per your school. All the students of our school are having admission number, which is considered registration number, and that is different for every two student. You know this thing very well. Suppose two children study in our school and they are brother, they are twin brother. So they must be having the same value, like name. Their name may be different, father name, mother name, contact number, address, everything will be same. But still one thing is different. That is their admission number. Now, how to set the primary key? Go to the design view and click on the field which you wish to set as a primary key. Just go to design view. The selected field will be highlighted. Click on the primary key button under tool group under the design tab, or right click on the field and select primary key from the context menu. You are having two options. Either you can click on the primary key button in the tool group under design tab, or you can right click on the field and select primary key from the context menu. The desired field will now be set as the primary key. Whatever field you have selected, that will be selected as a primary key. Indicate with a small key in a field selector column. Click on close button. Excel will prompt a message to remind us save the change. वो same thing, when you will click, the message will come. Do you want to save the changes? You select, click yes, and the window will close with the change done.